I want you to do. See if you can just squeeze and then watch, take a look. And then open your hand.
Now open it. Open your hand.
See, there you go. Now squeeze your hand.
Squeeze it again.
That's it. And you just keep doing that.
Yeah,
Squeeze the hand, exhale, open the hand. Great. Now inhale, squeeze your hand, and open the hand. So keep doing that. Keep repeating that. Everybody else, back up both hands, exhale, down. Inhale, 4, exhale, big smile. The most important thing you do is breathe. Inhale, expand, and exhale the breath out as the arms close at the same time. Good. Inhale, go wide. Breathe in. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, hands on the steering wheel. We're going for a drive. Here we are. Now remember, like last week, you're going to inhale and just lift the left hand up and turn to the right. Turn to the right. Right turn. Don't speed. Treacherous curve here. Breathe and just feel the stretch right on the other side of the body. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Turn the wheel and level out the car. We're going for a drive, Maria. Good. Now inhale, open the door. Good. Now palms up. Inhale, come up. Reach up. Good. Exhale. Lower down.
Good yoga.
Good. Good work. Yes, good yoga, Patel.
Oh yeah, I'm coming right
Oh,
now.
hurry up. Hurry. We'll do 2 more stretches for you before the music.
Wait a minute, let me put this down.
Delays.
On the 3rd floor auditorium.
Go around the world one last time. One hand or both. So now inhale, go out like wings. Good. Hold for the exhale. Now any amount, yeah, you can act it up. We're making stuff for the management here. Now inhale, exhale, reach out like you're going to give me a hug. Come off the back of the chair a little bit. Inhale, exhale, rock back into your chair. Good. Inhale, give me a hug. Exhale, rock it back. Just rock the hips. Everybody gets all kind of kooky in front of the camera. I know cameras don't let you.
It's amazing what people will do to be on camera.
That's how you be like, gee.
Number 2, inhaling up, exhale, floating it down. Make sure your hand is out like a handshake. Inhaling up, so it's turned to the side. Exhale, lower down. Great work. Deep breath in, breathe in. Good work, and exhale, down. Inhale, numero 4. Inhale, one or both arms, whatever is comfortable. Do your best. Smile too. Always smile. Imagine you're holding a box, one hand on each side. Now inhale, one or both arms reach up. Breathe in, that's it. Stretch all across the chest. Exhale, float the arms down, softening the shoulders. Great work, gang. Inhale up. Breathing in. Wunderbar. Exhale, and float those arms down. Make fists like we're squeezing oranges. We do this every week because this is a good stretch. So imagine you've got 2 oranges and you make a fresh squeezed OJ. Squeeze really tight. Now breathe deeply. Inhaling in, exhaling out. Inhaling in, and inhale. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze that orange, and then exhale. Open the hands and stretch the fingers. Go really, really wide, like Spider-Man. Open up the palms and breathe. Good. Exhale, squeeze. Make the fist, squeeze the oranges, just like this. Really hold those oranges, get all the juice out of them, the juice of life.